Imagine that there are two people who want to build a web page together. One of them will be the repository owner who already has the project draft on their computer, and the other will be the collaborator who will somehow receive access to this project and clone it to their own computer. The problem is that they are in different cities and for certain reason they cannot meet every day to work on this project, but they will gladly collaborate remotely, and GitHub will help them. For this to work, both of them will first need to install Git on their computers. Git is like a time machine for your files that allows you to save every change in your code and go back to it if something stops working. To communicate remotely, they will also need to register on GitHub. GitHub is an online platform, a kind of social networks for programmers where you can safely store your code and collaborate with others on the same project. If Git is the tool you use on your computer, GitHub is the home on the internet where you publish your work so that everyone or only your team can see it and help you. After registering, the repository owner will send the file to GitHub using a specific command. In turn, the collaborator will use certain commands to clone or update the changes if the project has already been cloned. This way, the collaborator will receive the project files and will be able to communicate certain changes.